Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to poach an egg. Bring a wide, shallow pan of water to a gentle simmer and add a tablespoon of vinegar. Crack each egg into a small cup and create a gentle whirlpool with a spoon. Slide the egg from the cup into the center and cook, undisturbed, for about 3 minutes for a runny yolk. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain briefly before serving. Start by heating water until small bubbles rise and steam forms, keeping the temperature steady. Add a tablespoon of white vinegar and stir to create a soft whirlpool that helps the egg white wrap the yolk. Crack the egg into a small cup and gently tip it into the center of the whirlpool, repeating for each egg if space allows. Let the egg cook for about 3 minutes for a silky yolk, then lift and drain. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help us make more cooking guides. Quick recommendation: a handy read, The Simple Path to Wealth, can change how you think about money and free up time to cook more at home. I love how simple advice pairs with a relaxed kitchen routine, and it makes a great gift for a home cook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your egg whites spread, try fresher eggs and reduce stirring to a minimum when adding them. Trim any stray white bits with a slotted spoon for a cleaner look before plating. For multiple eggs, use a wide, shallow pan and space them at least 2 inches apart so they don't stick together. Practice timing to match your preferred yolk texture and use warm plates to keep poached eggs at the right temperature when serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.